Music, it is a gift. It does not have to be this way, and it's all because of you. So thank you for giving all of us a life and a purpose. I hope you enjoyed my little brother Trombone Shorty, who came all the way from New Orleans to play for you. Trombone Shorty is the truth, is the culture. So, we're gonna play some music for you. Of course. Just relax and, oh, okay. This is for you.